Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present a speech on four important sorting techniques used in data structure and algorithms. The course outcome: understand analysis intention sort, quick sort, merge sort, and heap sort algorithm. Unit overview is inserting sort, quick sort, two-way merge sort, heap sort. Introduction to sorting. Insertion sorting is the simple sorting technique that built the final sorting array one element at a time. It works similarly to arrange playing cards in our hands. Working principles. Assuming the first element is already sorted, take the next elements, compare it with previous elements, insert into correct position, repeat until all elements are sorted. The advantages and needs is easy to understand, simple implementation, efficient for small data set. It improves search and data organization. Classification of sorting: internal sorting, external sorting. Insertion sort: simple sorting algorithm. This insert into their correct position. Working on of insert sort: compare and shift element until correct position. Insertion sort example: step by step sorting of sample data. Advantages: easy to understand, simple implementation, efficiency of small data set. Disadvantages is slow for large data set, requires many comparisons. Applications: small data collections, online sorting, educational purpose. The insert and sort algorithm, pseudocode and explanation. Time complexity of insertion, best, average and worst. Introduction to quick sort. Quick sort is one of the fastest and most widely used sorting algorithm. It follows the divide and conquer approach. Working principles: the select and pivot element, divide the array into two parts, elements smaller than pivot, element larger than pivot. Recursive sort both parts, choosing an elements in pivot, partitioning process, rearranging element around pivot. Quick sort example is step by step partitioning and sorting. Quick sort algorithm, recursive sorting and procedure. Advantages is very fast, efficient for large data set, requires less memory. Disadvantages is worst case performance occur with poor pivot selections. Applications: database system, operating system, large scale data processing. Quick sort is one of the most commonly used sorting method in practice. Introduction to two-way merge sort. Merge sort is another divided and conquer sorting algorithm. It repeatedly divides the data into two halves and then merge them into sort order. The working principles is divide the list into two halves, continues dividing until single element remain, merge element in sorting order, continue merging until the entire list is sorted. Merge operation combines two sorting list. Two-way merge sort example, step by step merging illustration. Merge sort algorithm, regressive division and merging. Time complexity of merge sort, best, average, worst. Introduction to heap sort. Heap sort is a comparison based on sorting algorithm that use a binary heap data structure. What is a heap? A heap is a complete binary tree that satisfies heap property. The max heap, the parent node, is always greater than its children. Working principle is build a max